Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my current skincare routine. And it would have been ideal if I would have come up here with some clear, glowy, perfect skin, but that's just not how the world works sometimes. But I also thought it would have been really authentic if I could show you my spots and stuff like that and how I remedy them. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new posts like this. Now without further ado, let's hop into the video. So in the mornings, the first thing that I do is wash my face in the shower, and what I use is this Equate Beauty Acne Scrub. It is the oil-free acne scrub with salicylic acid in it, and this product claims to help fight breakouts with naturally derived pink grapefruit extract, and it's also paraben free, so that's a plus. But I definitely can vouch for it and say that this product does exactly that. And how I use it is I take some of my fingertips and rub it into my skin in circular motions, and then I leave it on my skin while I take my shower and wash the rest of my body for around 3 to 5 minutes so that the salicylic acid can really soak into my skin and destroy some of the bacteria that is causing the breakouts. And when I use that regimen, I really see a difference in my skin. I've been using this product for a very long time and it has not done me wrong at all. As you can see, it's barely any in there. It's pretty empty and it's gonna go fast by now. But let me tell you, this stuff lasts for a very long time because you don't even need a lot. A little goes a very long way. So if you're looking for a really good acne scrub or a really good face wash for the mornings to give you a little bit of extra boost while fighting off acne, I definitely recommend this one. The next thing that I do is use a toner or an astringent to help fight the breakouts even more, especially when I have active ones. And this is the Clean and Clear Essentials Deep Cleaning Astringent, and this also has salicylic acid medication in it. Salicylic acid really helps to take those breakouts down and get rid of all the dirt and the bacteria causing the pimples. So I really like this. It's oil free, and this product claims to treat and help prevent pimples. So I actually did not use this morning, so I'm gonna use this now. The only thing that I did was basically wash my face and put on a little light moisturizer so I don't come up here looking crusty. But I'm gonna use this now, and what I do is I take this product in a cotton ball. I put some of it in the cotton ball and I just target the places where I have pimples or any spots, or if I feel a spot coming underneath the skin, I'll put it there. And I typically put it on the sides of my nose because I could get some pimples there. Definitely on my chin because my chin is my most problematic area, so I really coat my chin in this stuff. And then I put it on the temples of my forehead because I typically have some breakouts there as well. And y'all, this is a scar from a pimple. It's not really a pimple anymore, but so that pimple does not come back, I'm just gonna coat some of this product on that spot. And it really helps to clean my skin really good. I could see any dead skin or any leftover dirt that the face wash didn't really get too well. And that's why I really like this astringent, because my skin visibly looks and feels way more cleaner when I use this astringent. Now to moisturize my skin, I use this Belif the True Cream Aqua Bomb, and this stuff is really hydrating. This is actually the full size, and you can't really see the lettering, but in another clip I'll show you how exactly it looks so you can see if you're interested in purchasing. But this stuff, I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely not inexpensive like the other products I've shown you. So if you're interested in this, just keep in mind that this product alone is like $38. I only have it because of how good it works for me, y'all. Like right now I'm actually using this sample size that I got from Sephora. I'm pretty much out of this. I don't know if you can see, but there's barely anything in here. But let me tell you, this stuff goes a very long way. This little bottle right here lasted me a couple months, honestly, and it feels the same, didn't lose its effect or anything like that. So how I use it is I just take a little bit, like that much, and I put it on my T-zone and I just rub it in from there. And it's so hydrating. It's like definitely very supple, very smooth. And I actually haven't opened the full-size jar that I just showed you guys because I still have quite a bit, even though it's not a lot at all. It's a little bit to last me a couple uses in the miniature size, and I definitely want to use every single last drop that I have, and I want this one to last me a while as well because I know I'm probably not going to go out and buy another one anytime soon. So yeah, I've just been using the miniature one, and I also use this sometimes as a primer because it's so smooth and supple and it hydrates my skin super well. So underneath my makeup, it makes my skin super moisturized and supple. So the next thing that I use is a heavier moisturizer, something that'll leave a nice glow shine to my face. So I take this whipped shea butter. I bought this from the beauty supply store a while back because I never tried shea butter before, but I'm so glad that I did because this product is really smooth. It's a whipped shea butter. So I think shea butter is normally like hard, but this one's whipped, so it's very soft and it definitely melts in your hand. This is literally so full, and I've been using this almost every day on my face. It goes a long way. And this product specifically is the white whipped shea butter for hair and skin, and it claims to moisturize. It's a natural sun protection and it evens complexion. It is all natural and 100% pure, and the ingredients are African shea butter, coconut oil, soybean oil, and it's for external uses only, which I think that's pretty much a given. But yeah, and how I use this product is I take a little bit on my finger because, like all these products, a little bit goes a long way. You definitely don't need to be heavy-handed to really reap the benefits of each product. So I take a little bit on my fingertip like this, and I'll rub it into my hands so I can warm up the product, and it becomes a little bit thinner and easier to smooth all across my face. And then I take it and just smooth it all around, not forgetting my forehead, really moisturizing my entire face, kind of locking in everything else that I put on my face. And then with the leftover product, I just rub it on my neck upward and downward. I do a little mixture of both, but I heard you're supposed to go upward, so I do that as well. And then I just rub it into my hands because this stuff is like a better version of Vaseline, and if you know me, you know I love Vaseline. I use Vaseline for everything, but I'm trying to transition because I heard Vaseline isn't really too good for your pores, so this is my little transitioning product. So yeah, and that's that for the shea butter. And then last but not least, for dark spots on my face, I use this fade cream. I also got this from the beauty supply store. It is the Ambi skincare fade cream, and it has hydroxin, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, but it has a bleaching agent in it, and it is for gradual fading of dark brownish spots, and it has vitamin E and alpha hydroxy acid in it. And this one in particular is for oily skin because I have oily skin. I think they have another one for normal or dry skin. So, yep. And how I use this is I take a little bit on my finger, and you see this dark spot right here. It's literally like almost flat. It's just a little dark. I take the fake cream and I put it on that spot. I put it around my mouth because I have some hyperpigmentation from acne on my chin. On my lip, I put some on my nose, and then I have, as you can see, a little bit of darkness on the sides of my cheeks where the hollows of my cheeks are, so I put a little bit there as well. That product, literally with the little dot that I use, it was able to spread all over my face. So yeah, and I also just want a thin layer. I don't want it too thick because this stuff does not necessarily soak into my skin really seamlessly. It likes to just sit on my skin, so I don't like to put too much on at all. And then just rub it in. And then with the leftover, I go on my neck down here where it's a little dark to lighten those spots up. And yeah. So that concludes my current skincare routine for the mornings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do next, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.